Section 1. The Buffett phenomenon. Warren Buffett, often hailed as the greatest investor of all time, has orchestrated an unparalleled financial phenomenon. If you had invested $1,000 in his company's early days, that humble sum would now have blossomed into a staggering $30 million. This seemingly fantastical achievement is, however, grounded in Buffett's unique insights and unwavering commitment to timeless principles. Section 2. The three pillars of hiring wisdom. Buffett's approach to hiring talent is a triad of intelligence, initiative, and integrity. He firmly believes that without integrity, even the brightest and most energetic individuals are a liability. This philosophy reflects his broader market strategy, seeking investments that not only possess financial brilliance but also uphold ethical fortitude. Section 3. The human element in investing. Buffett acknowledges that investors, being human, are prone to emotional decision-making. During bullish markets, excitement prevails, and the rearview mirror becomes a guide. This presents a unique opportunity for the discerning investor, recognizing that market irrationality can create substantial openings for shrewd decision-makers. Section 4. Evolution of investment approach. From cigar butts to outstanding businesses. Buffett's evolution as an investor is a testament to adaptability. Initially drawn to the cigar butt strategy, scouring for undervalued yet declining stocks, he later pivoted. His focus shifted towards acquiring outstanding businesses at fair prices, a strategy that aligns with his broader life philosophy of continuous learning and adaptation. Section 5. Circle of competence and understanding. At the core of Buffett's investment strategy lies the concept of a circle of competence. This means investing in businesses one thoroughly understands. In essence, mirroring life's challenges, it celebrates the power of knowledge and encourages individuals to navigate within the realms of their understanding. Section 6. Acknowledging mistakes and embracing opportunities. Buffett candidly recognizes that his greatest mistakes were not commission but omission. This philosophy reverberates through life, acknowledging errors, learning from them, and understanding that every missed opportunity is a stepping stone to growth. It's an invitation to embrace life's challenges and capitalize on opportunities with enthusiasm. Section 7. Holding quality and seizing opportunities. The final pillar of Buffett's strategy revolves around holding on to quality businesses and seizing opportunities when they arise. This mirrors the essence of life itself. A celebration of resilience, the endurance of quality relationships, and the excitement of seizing every moment. In celebration of Buffett's profound wisdom and the opportunity to be alive, let us embrace the market of life with enthusiasm. Buffett's principles resonate far beyond the financial realm, offering a blueprint for navigating the complexities of existence. Like a seasoned investor, let us seek knowledge, make principled decisions, acknowledge mistakes, and, most importantly, relish the extraordinary journey of being alive. Life, much like the market, is full of opportunities waiting to be seized by those with the vision and courage to do so. So, here's to the vibrant symphony of life and the boundless potential it offers us every single day.